How to save view once video or photo on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation with the person who has sent you the view once video or picture. After you open the conversation, now you can open the picture or video that is set to view once. After you open the picture or video, you won't find the option of save. Cause unfortunately, at the moment there is no such option within WhatsApp to save view once video or picture. The only thing you can do is if someone sends you an image or video, you can screen record of the video or you can take the screenshot of the picture. Just open the picture or video, then you can take the screenshot or screen record. At the moment, this is the only thing you can do to save your picture or video on WhatsApp. But if in the future WhatsApp comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope now you guys are clear if you can save view once video on WhatsApp or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.